Hello, welcome to ALP channel. I'm Mahmoud. Today we're going to talk about another letter in Persian alphabet, the letter Jim. Name of this letter is Jim. Jim. Repeat after me. Jim. Jim. Sound of this letter is J. J. Repeat after me. J. J. Let's try this letter in different words. The first word is Juje. 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 Juje means chicken baby. Juje means chicken baby. Juje. Repeat after me. Juje. 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 As you see, the letter Jim comes at the beginning of the word and middle of the word.
میدونم جوجه است. میدونم جوجه است. میدونم جوجه است.
Next word is Jurab. 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 Repeat after me. Jurab. 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 Jurab means socks. Socks. Jurab. 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 Repeat after me. Jurab. 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 Jurab.
جوراب جوراب
Next word is Jogd. 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 Jogd means owl. Jogd means owl. Repeat after me. Jogd. 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 Jogd.
جغد هستم. جغد هستم. جغد هستم.
جغدی سف.
Next word is Havij. 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 Repeat after me. Havij. Havij. Havij means correct. Correct. Repeat after me. Havij. 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 Havij.
حویجم 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 حویج اسم
Next word is Jaru. 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 Jaru means floor cleaning brush. Jaru. Jaru. Repeat after me. Jaru. 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 Jaru.
جارو ببخش جارو ببخش جارو ببخش جارو تو جارو تو جارو تو
جارو کشی. جارو کشی. جارو کشی.
That's the end of the lesson. I hope you learned something new about Persian alphabet. Goodbye. See you later.